Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Using Relative Paths in Python Modules. Introduction. In Python, dealing with file paths is a common task, especially when working with modules and packages. Understanding relative paths is crucial for creating flexible and portable code. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of relative paths and how to use them effectively in your Python modules. Paths in Python can be either absolute or relative. An absolute path specifies the exact location of a file or directory in the file system, starting from the root directory. On the other hand, a relative path is defined relative to the current working directory. To work with paths in Python, the OS module provides a cross-platform way to interact with the operating system. We'll use the os.path submodule to manipulate paths. Let's consider a simple project structure. In main.py, you might use absolute paths to access file.txt from module_a.py. Now, let's use a relative path to achieve the same result. By understanding and effectively using relative paths, you can create more flexible and maintainable Python code, especially when working on collaborative projects or deploying your code in different environments. ChatGPT.